Let's discuss little more details about the composition relationship. As we said, a composition relationship has a relationship between a whole and a part. So car has an engine. Thinking about the car, it is composed of too many components. More importantly, thinking about the relationship of the engine to the car, to what degree it is a stronger relationship. The engine has no value to be used independently, and if a car got destroyed for a reason or another, then this part has no value. The same for car wheels. Another example might be a room. A room has walls and floor, but this walls and floor has no value without a room. If we mentioned a room, they are definitely exist. If room got destroyed, then they are also destroyed, semantically or practically. In terms of code, you would decide here you would build a class engine, then you would build the class wheel, and then class car would have an engine object and wheel object. This isn't the first time that you see actually this composition. You were doing it when we do a class employee that has an object of type full name. This is a composition relationship. As we said, it's a stronger relationship. Let's say what might this imply in terms of coding, this kind of strong ownership. First of all, the wheel typically creates or destroys the parts. For example, the car would be the one that create an engine and create a wheel and use it. Also, a part is used only by the wheel, so the engine will not be shared between two cars. In addition, the part has no life of itself. It is attached to the life of the whole object. Semantically, if a university is closed, no department anymore. So composition is very critical in OOP because it allows reusability. Reusability refers to the ability to reuse something over and over. For example, here the engine, if it's a class, we are reusing it. So instead of writing our own logic for a car from scratch, we can reuse something. If we have an object full name, we can reuse it inside the say a class like employees. In terms of UML, reading here is a car and has doors and engine. This black diamond represents the composition. You find it typically at the whole part. So it means that car is composed of doors. Car is composed of engine. You can also read the relationship in the reverse, like engine belongs to a car. Doors belongs to a car, and so on. That's it.